Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
We used our standard 2 cups of baby powder and 1 cup of water, and it turned into a perfect non-Newtonian fluid. It had all the normal properties of our regular Oobleck and behaved exactly like our regular cornstarch recipe. 19 November 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
What happens if you mix baby powder and water? Most are made from talcum powder, talc, which would form a gritty paste that would dry like the weakest cement you can imagine, into the basic consistency of sidewalk chalk. If it is made with cornstarch, you would get a fluid solid hybrid.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Oobleck is great for days of play. To store, put Oobleck in an airtight container and refrigerate. You may need to add a splash or 2 of water to get the desired consistency again. Store and reuse for up to 2 weeks of fun.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.